Hi, my name is Purnima. Welcome to my home. As soon as you'll enter the house, you'll notice this big mirror. We've kept a big mirror and the walls neutral with no false ceiling to give a depth to the room. At the same time, we've added these two small POP plates to give it a little bit of character. Ours is a true DIY home because you'll notice a DIY in every corner. For example, this bar space is a DIY, and also we've used a lot of vertical space so that we can keep the floor space free. I see a lot of Pinterest, and on Pinterest I saw these beautiful industrial style shelves. That is what I've incorporated over here. I've made this out of pallet wood and L-shaped brackets. You'll see a small mandir over here. This is from my hometown Saharanpur, which is very famous for wood carving. Also, this is from my parents' house. This crockery cabinet over here is my favorite piece of furniture. I got this along with the TV console and the dining chairs from a shop in Rajasthan. The cup holder over here and the cup holder over here, these have been made by me. Also, I made this small mesh cabinet. I wanted to have a mesh crockery unit, but because of dust and all, it was not feasible. So I made a small one and I kept it on top of this. This is a corner where we've kept a small dining table and 3 chairs, which is perfect for our family because we are a small family of 3. Also, I've used the vertical space and added this crockery unit. This is again a DIY unit. We made it on our own. We got this cane shelf from Northeast. For space management, I made this pull-out pantry which fits in perfectly between our refrigerator and linen wardrobe. This is our bedroom space. You will actually notice there is a lot of cane around. That is because my husband is from Northeast, and whenever I go there, I get a lot of stuff which is made out of cane and bamboo. This is actually a engineered wood bed. I wanted to have a very modern looking bed, but I did not want to change it. So what we did is we extended the headboard by adding some pallets and cane mat and painted the bed white. Also over here I've got a console. This console is also thrifted. I added cane mat again over here and painted the entire thing. Also added legs to it to give it a height. So over here, instead of a work table, I've used a console table, that is, to save floor space. So there is a lot of space between the bed and the table. This is my favorite lamp, and this is from Fab India. I've got this small table over here. We got this from Banjara market, and I've added legs to it. Over here I've used the vertical space to store my books. Ours is a very small place and I wanted to have a lot of plants. There was no space in the balcony, so that is the reason I got this vertical stone shelf built. We also have got a lot of hanging plants. These are from my parents' house. And this is the cane basket that I've turned into a lamp. I got it from Guwahati. Thank you for watching the video. For more such content, subscribe to Homely by LBB.